So now let's add in our character's reflection onto the floor as if the character is standing up on a shiny floor. In order to do that, I have to go over here onto the environment section, and once we go to environment, here you can see that there's reflection just like this. So opacity by default for the reflection is 0%. So if I were to increase this out just like this, you can see that a little reflection appears just like that. So as I rotate this around and pan this around, you can see the reflection of the character on the ground just like that. So let me just zoom out right here just like this, and you can see the reflection much more clearly. So now once you go over here onto the reflection, let me just go around onto environment. Let us see some other options. So once you increase the opacity, you can see that the reflection is just like that. So if you were to increase it even further, you can see that the reflection is more like a mirror. Bring it down and it fades away as if the character is standing on a shiny ground. But if you want to make it a bit more rough, you can go on to the roughness right here and increase that out as well. And you can see that the reflection is a bit more rough. It does not look perfect at the moment, but once you render it out, everything will look fine. So don't worry about that right there. So if you were to go on to the character view right here onto the environment, let us see this example. You can make it rough or smooth just like that according to what you want. And that is it. That is how you add in and work with reflection inside of Photoshop for models that you import from Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.